Imagine a battle so fierce that it changed the course of history. A clash of empires on the high seas that would echo through the ages. Welcome to the Battle of Lepanto. On October 7th, 1571, the Holy League faced the Ottoman Empire in a decisive naval battle. Led by Don Juan of Austria, the Holy League's superior tactics turned the tide. Capturing the Ottoman flagship marked a pivotal victory. Lepanto was a symbol of hope and unity for Europe. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and hit the bell icon. The Battle of Lepanto didn't happen in isolation. The Ottoman Empire was expanding rapidly, threatening Europe. Fragmented Christian states united against this common threat. The Holy League's formation was a symbol of unity. Key figures like Pope Pius V and King Philip II played pivotal roles. Their combined efforts created a formidable fleet. This unity set the stage for the epic confrontation at Lepanto. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more historical narratives. Share your thoughts on the Holy League's challenges in the comments below. The Battle of Lepanto featured some of the most prominent figures of the time. On the side of the Holy League, Don Juan of Austria emerged as a charismatic and capable leader. His leadership was instrumental in uniting the diverse forces of the Holy League. Born as the illegitimate son of Emperor Charles V, Don Juan's early life was marked by a quest for identity and purpose. His ascent to command was a testament to his tactical genius and diplomatic acumen. On the Ottoman side, Ali Pasha was a seasoned commander with a formidable reputation. Born into the elite Janissary Corps, Ali Pasha's rise through the ranks was swift and marked by numerous military successes. His strategic mind and unwavering loyalty to the Ottoman Empire made him a fearsome opponent. Both leaders brought their unique strengths and perspectives to the battlefield. Don Juan's ability to inspire and rally his men was matched by Ali Pasha's tactical brilliance and experience. Their clash was not just a meeting of two great fleets, but a confrontation of two extraordinary minds. Don Juan of Austria's vision for a united Christian front was pivotal. He understood that the strength of the Holy League lay in its diversity. His leadership turned a coalition of disparate forces into a cohesive fighting unit. Under his command, the Holy League's fleet became a symbol of hope and resistance against Ottoman expansion. Ali Pasha, on the other hand, was a master of naval warfare. His fleet was a well-oiled machine, disciplined and formidable. He was determined to expand Ottoman control over the Mediterranean, and the Battle of Lepanto was his chance to cement his legacy. This chapter will delve into the backgrounds, motivations, and strategies of these key figures, providing a deeper understanding of their roles in the battle. Join us as we explore the lives and legacies of Don Juan of Austria and Ali Pasha, and how their leadership shaped the course of history. If you found this exploration enlightening, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more captivating historical narratives. What do you think was the most significant challenge faced by these leaders? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The Battle of Lepanto was not just a clash of ships, it was a clash of tactics and strategies. The Holy League's use of galleys equipped with superior firepower and their innovative tactics played a crucial role in their victory. This chapter will provide a detailed analysis of the battle tactics employed by both sides, highlighting the key moments and maneuvers that turned the tide in favor of the Holy League. As the fleets approached each other, the Holy League's commanders, under the astute guidance of Don Juan of Austria, executed a well-coordinated plan. Their galleys, equipped with powerful cannons, were positioned to exploit the vulnerabilities in the Ottoman formation. The use of heavy artillery was a game-changer, allowing the Holy League to inflict significant damage from a distance. On the Ottoman side, Ali Pasha relied on the traditional strength of his fleet's mobility and close-quarters combat. His ships were designed for boarding actions where the elite Janissaries could overpower the enemy in brutal hand-to-hand combat. However, this approach had its limitations against the Holy League's firepower. One of the pivotal moments of the battle was the Holy League's use of the crescent formation, a tactical innovation that allowed them to encircle and isolate segments of the Ottoman fleet. This maneuver created chaos within the Ottoman ranks, disrupting their communication and coordination. The clash reached its zenith when the flagship of Don Juan of Austria engaged directly with Ali Pasha's flagship. The intense confrontation between these two vessels symbolized the broader struggle between their respective empires. The superior firepower and tactical discipline of the Holy League eventually overwhelmed Ali Pasha's forces, leading to a decisive victory. This chapter sheds light on the strategic brilliance that defined the Battle of Lepanto. It was not merely a test of strength, but a demonstration of the ingenuity and adaptability of the commanders involved. The lessons learned from this historic engagement continue to influence naval warfare to this day. If you found this tactical breakdown intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth historical analyses. What other famous battles do you think showcased innovative tactics? Let us know in the comments below. The aftermath of the Battle of Lepanto had far-reaching consequences. The victory of the Holy League halted the Ottoman advance into the west and provided a much-needed morale boost to the Christian states of Europe. However, the battle also had significant repercussions for the Ottoman Empire. This chapter will explore the immediate and long-term consequences of the battle, both for the victors and the defeated. For the Holy League, the triumph at Lepanto was not just a military success, but a symbolic victory as well. It marked the first major defeat of the Ottoman navy in over a century, reinvigorating the Christian states and fostering a renewed sense of unity and purpose. The victory was celebrated across Europe, with many viewing it as divine intervention. This morale boost had profound effects on the political and social landscapes of the time, emboldening European powers to resist Ottoman expansion more vigorously. On the other hand, the Ottoman Empire faced a significant setback. The loss of ships and experienced sailors was a blow to their naval capabilities. While the Ottomans quickly rebuilt their fleet, the psychological impact of the defeat lingered. The battle exposed vulnerabilities in their naval strategies and forced them to reconsider their approach to Mediterranean dominance. Internally, the loss at Lepanto prompted a period of reflection and restructuring within the Ottoman military hierarchy. The long-term consequences of the Battle of Lepanto extended beyond the immediate aftermath. It marked a turning point in the struggle between the Christian and Muslim worlds, influencing subsequent geopolitical developments. The battle demonstrated the importance of naval power and the need for innovation in military tactics, lessons that resonated through future conflicts. The legacy of Lepanto endures to this day, reminding us of the delicate balance of power and the pivotal moments that shape history. It serves as a testament to the resilience and determination of those who fought and a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of warfare. If you found this exploration of Lepanto's aftermath insightful, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more historical deep dives. What other historical events do you think had far-reaching consequences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The Battle of Lepanto was a turning point in history, but its implications went beyond the immediate military victory. It marked a shift in the balance of power in the Mediterranean and had a lasting impact on the geopolitical landscape of Europe. The victory at Lepanto demonstrated the potential of unified Christian forces against a formidable adversary. This newfound unity among European states laid the groundwork for future coalitions and alliances, reshaping the political dynamics of the continent. The battle's influence extended into subsequent conflicts, inspiring military strategies and fostering a sense of collective identity among European powers. Furthermore, the Battle of Lepanto became a symbol of resistance and resilience. It was immortalized in literature, art, and music, embedding itself in the collective memory of Europe. The event served as a potent reminder of the power of collaboration and strategic ingenuity, influencing generations of leaders and thinkers. In the broader context of history, Lepanto highlighted the significance of naval power and innovation in military tactics. The lessons learned from this battle resonated through future conflicts, underscoring the importance of adaptability and strategic foresight in warfare. But beyond the immediate military and political consequences, Lepanto also had a profound cultural impact. It was celebrated in various forms of artistic expression, from epic poems to grand paintings, ensuring that the memory of this pivotal battle endured through the ages. As we look back on the Battle of Lepanto, we are reminded of the delicate balance of power and the pivotal moments that shape our world. It serves as a testament to the resilience and determination of those who fought, and a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of warfare. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. If you found this exploration of Lepanto's broader implications insightful, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more historical deep dives. What other historical events do you think had far-reaching consequences? Share your thoughts in the comments below.